You ever imagined creating a professional cinematic photo shoot of yourself without a camera, without a photographer, and without spending money on a studio? Well, today I'm going to show you something absolutely incredible. I recently discovered an amazing AI tool called Grok AI, and it helped me generate a stunning cinematic photo shoot of my AI twin in just a few minutes. Yes, you heard that right. A full AI generated photo shoot that looks like it came straight out of a high-end fashion magazine. And the best part, you can do this completely free. As a creator building my brand and teaching AI tools through AI Made Simple Hub, I'm always testing new tools that help creators make content faster and smarter. So I decided to experiment with Grok AI. Instead of booking a photo shoot, I simply described my AI twin, my facial features, skin tone, hairstyle, and the type of outfit I wanted. Then I added the style of photo shoot I wanted. For example, cinematic studio photography, luxury fashion editorial, lifestyle portrait photos, boss CEO branding photos, and within seconds, Grok AI generated beautiful, ultra-realistic images that looked like they were shot in a professional studio. Honestly, it felt like I had my own digital model version of myself. Now here's the exciting part. All the beautiful photo shoots you're seeing in this video were created using the exact same steps I'm about to show you. No expensive equipment, no professional photographer, just AI and creativity. This is a game changer for creators, entrepreneurs, influencers, and anyone building a personal brand online. You can use this to create professional headshots, fashion photo shoots, Instagram content, YouTube thumbnails, website images, digital product branding. And the best part is that with AI, you can change outfits, backgrounds, lighting, and styles instantly. Imagine creating dozens of photo shoots in different locations around the world without ever leaving your house. That's the power of AI. So video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Grok AI to create your own cinematic AI twin photo shoot step by step. Make sure you watch till the end, because once you see how simple this is, you'll be able to start creating your own AI photo shoots immediately. And if you love learning about AI tools, AI content creation, and AI income opportunities, don't forget to subscribe and join the AI Made Simple Hub community, where I teach you how to create, grow, and earn.
All right, so to create this amazing image, photo shoot of yourself using the most popular AI tool now that are available, first of all, we have to head over to Pinterest to get pinterest.com to get inspiration of images we want to use. So you can search for any photo shoot of your choice. If it's birthday photo shoot, okay, when you scroll around, you see the one you like. All you need to do is just to download the images. Okay, so I'll be downloading a couple of images here that I just fancy I want to recreate using my AI twin. Okay, so I can type photo shoots, okay, for ladies. You can just type wherever you want, or I can even type African dress photo shoots. Okay, you can go ahead and just search for wherever you like, you want to recreate of yourself. All right, so just look out. We have lovely pictures on Pinterest. I just like Pinterest because the way they create their images is just something else. Okay, maybe I'll recreate this one. I'll recreate this one. I'll just go ahead and download it. Or this one, maybe this one, something like this. There are lots of beautiful ones. One thing is that you can easily get confused when you're here because Pinterest is just so beautiful. You know, you'll have a lot of images. So let me go for this one. I'll go ahead and just download as well. I just want to get some few couple of images I just want to use to recreate this. Okay, there's another one I saw, something like this is given. Okay, something like this. So beautiful. Okay, this is not photo shoot, this is like outfits. So go ahead and just get images you like. Okay, go ahead, look out for them, look out for them. So we are here for photo shoot for ladies, so you can go ahead and look for nice ones, beautiful images that you can create with your AI twin. Okay, so maybe something like this is giving, something like this. Let me get something like this. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just download the image. So when I download all the images, I have to head over to ChatGPT and import the images. I'll do that one after the other. Okay, I want ChatGPT to help me to extract the details on the image. Okay, so how do you do that? Just click on the plus sign on ChatGPT and import the image into. So I've put this, then I'll ask ChatGPT, please write an image prompt for this image. Okay, just a very simple prompt we use to extract the details from the image. You click on generate. So ChatGPT will go ahead and do that. Okay, so it's generating, analyzing, and all that. So you can see that that's what it has given here. All right. So here is what ChatGPT has given me. I'll just go ahead and copy the prompts. Okay. So the AI tool we'll be using to create these images for our AI twin is Grok AI. So go ahead and just register for Grok. Use your email address to sign in on Grok. Okay. So when you come to Grok interface, this is how it looks. All right. You go ahead, log in. So you have to look out for Imagine. If you're using a mobile, Imagine is at the top of your screen. But if you're using a desktop or anything, look out for Imagine on the left-hand side bar and type on Imagine. So when you type Imagine, please make sure you select image. Okay, select image. This one is video, but you select image, then you select your aspect ratio. Okay, I want the image to create a 9:16 aspect ratio. Then the next thing is you have to attach the headshot of your image. So use a clear image of yourself. So I'm going to attach one now. So when you attach your image, you paste in the prompt, the one that ChatGPT gives to you. Remember the prompts we extracted from the images. Go and copy it from ChatGPT and paste here and click on generate. So Grok AI will analyze the images and the prompts and create amazing photo of our AI twin. Okay, you can see that. You can see this is the exact image that I created earlier. It also gave me like two different types. It's up to me the one I actually want. All right, they're all amazing. So you can go ahead and just download this. Okay, download the one you like. I think I prefer this one. Oh yeah, I prefer this one. So I'll go ahead and just download. This is how you do it. Okay, so let's go back and analyze the other prompt from ChatGPT. So when we also come to ChatGPT, we have to now bring in the second image. Remember, we downloaded different images, so you need to bring the second one in, which is this one. Okay, and do the same. Use the same prompt to extract it. Just ask ChatGPT to please write image prompt for this image. Okay, very simple and very concise. All you need to do is to click on generate, and ChatGPT will do its thing and also give us this beautiful prompt. You can see it's writing everything. And if you want to make changes to your prompts, please go ahead. Okay, if you are enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorial like this. This is what ChatGPT has given to us. I'll go ahead and just copy it. Okay, if you want to make changes to the outfit, it's okay, you can go ahead and do that. So just copy it. So when you copy it, head over to Grok AI and delete the first prompt you put in that box. Remember to select your headshot, okay, before you paste in that. Okay, select your headshot, which is your main headshot. All right, and you paste in the prompt. Also click to also check the aspect ratio, but I believe everything is okay. Just click on generate. Wow, this is beautiful. So this is what ChatGPT actually Grok AI actually created. Oh, this is amazing. So go ahead and just, I think he created two. He always gives two options, this one and this one, but this is the one I prefer. You go ahead and click on download, okay? This is beautiful, seriously. Then we have to go ahead and continue to, continue with our images. This is how you do it, all right? You get perfect. Grok AI now have beautiful image model, okay, that can create cinematic images for you, all right? So go ahead and just try it out. Use it to create beautiful image of your AI twin in different, style, different pose. You really enjoy it, all right? So I've pasted in the third image. I've brought it in. I'll ask Grok AI ChatGPT to please write image prompts for this image. All right. Then I'll click on generate. Is we analyze it as it does. ChatGPT will analyze it, and also you can see. All right. It's writing it out. It's writing it out. So once it's done, we'll like copy it. Okay, copy the prompts. Make sure you proofread the prompts. Okay. I'll go ahead and copy it. So when you copy it, you come over to Grok, okay? Remember to scroll up and select your AI twin and paste in the prompt, okay? I'm still working in the same person. If you are using a mobile version of Grok, the app, it will be different, but it's still the same way how to go ahead and generate these images, okay? Then click on generate. So it will start creating two images for me. Then after that, I'll be able to choose, okay? So here is it. Here is me. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. Okay, so go ahead and try yours. Okay, create your beautiful cinematic images, your beautiful photo shoots for your birthday, for your pre-wedding picture, wherever you want to create. Use Grok AI. Okay, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorial like this. Thank you for watching.